There's many different ways you can introduce him, but how about, yes, we Dennis Canavan!
Thanks, Hardeep. Since last year's event, the March and Rally, which finished at Princes Street Gardens, I've been doing a tour of Scotland on behalf of the Yes Scotland campaign. I've been travelling the length and breadth of the country, from Stornoway to Stranraer, from Kirkcaldy to Kirkwall, and not only have I been speaking to thousands of people, I have also been listening to the people. And I can tell you that there is great and widespread support throughout the country for our campaign. I know that some of the pollsters and pundits try to tell us otherwise, but let me say this. I remember saying it last year in Princes Street Gardens. This campaign is more like a marathon than a short sprint. And having run more than a few marathons in my time, I know that the runner that's ahead at the halfway stage is not necessarily the winner of the race. And I know that we have the people with the stamina, the guts, and the determination to win this campaign. I know that we're up against all the negative propaganda of the naysayers, aided and abetted by a hostile media. But I'll tell you this campaign is not going to be fought and won simply in television studios or radio stations or the columns of newspapers. This campaign is going to be fought and won within the communities of Scotland. And we have something which the opposition do not have, because they have got hardly any foot soldiers. We have an army of volunteers spread throughout every community in Scotland. And once we get these volunteers fully trained and mobilised, we are going to organise the biggest, the most comprehensive and the most successful grassroots community-based campaign that Scotland has ever seen. We're going to take our message out to every city, every town, every community, every street, every home in Scotland, and we are going to win the hearts and minds of the people of Scotland with our message. And our message is this: that it's only by voting yes in next year's referendum that the people of Scotland are going to be empowered to build a new Scotland, a better Scotland, a more prosperous Scotland, a fairer Scotland, a Scotland that looks after its vulnerable people instead of attacking them with welfare cuts, including the iniquitous bedroom tax. A Scotland that can get rid of Trident and all the other weapons of mass destruction. And a Scotland that will play its full part in the international community to help world. That is our positive message, and when we get that positive message across to the people of Scotland, the people of Scotland will respond, and we shall win a famous and historic victory. So let's go for it!